In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Google AdSense account for YouTube. If you want to monetize your videos, you'll start inside YouTube Studio and connect a Google AdSense account so you can get paid. I'll walk you through each screen and share tips to keep things smooth. Open YouTube Studio and head to the Earn tab on the left. Click Apply now under the YouTube Partner Program and follow the prompts on screen. Next, you'll review and accept the YouTube Partner Program terms. Take a moment to read them so you know what you're agreeing to, then click Accept. This confirmation is usually instant. Now it's time to create or connect your AdSense account. If you don't have one yet, go back to YouTube Studio under Earn and click Start under Sign Up for Google AdSense. You'll be redirected to AdSense to set things up. Choose your country or region and select a payment profile type, individual or business. Use accurate legal details that match your bank and government records, then submit the form. Once you finish, AdSense will automatically link back to your YouTube channel. If you already have an AdSense account, choose Use an existing AdSense account, sign in with the email that owns that account, and confirm the link. Remember, you can only have one AdSense account per person, so always link additional channels to that same account. After that, wait for AdSense approval. This can take anywhere from a few hours to several days, and you'll see status updates right inside YouTube Studio. This AdSense review is separate from your channel review. When AdSense is approved, YouTube will review your channel content for monetization. That typically takes 1 to 4 weeks. While you wait, keep your uploads compliant with YouTube's policies to avoid delays. When you're approved, go to YouTube Studio, click Earn, and turn on monetization. Choose the ad formats you want, like display ads, skippable video ads, non-skippable ads, and overlay ads. You can adjust these later if you need to. Enable ads on your videos. You can switch monetization on for all videos at once or pick individual videos. Older videos are eligible too, which is great for generating revenue from your back catalog. Finally, set up payments in Google AdSense. Open AdSense, click Payments, and add your personal details, address, and bank account. You'll verify your address with a PIN, and the minimum payout is $100. To track earnings, use YouTube Studio under Earn for estimated revenue and AdSense under Payments for finalized earnings and payouts. AdSense updates finalized numbers monthly.